See, youself is not an expert, he just want to share this simple digital painting tutorial. Okay, power. The streaky brush was used for this digital painting. Open the Copic library, then play with the colors. You can start with the light colors to darker value or from dark to light values. Now here's the magic: copy the first layer, then build the structure or shape of the tree. Easy. Just practice and practice and practice. Pagmahal moang ginagawa mo makukua mo rin ito, parang love gagawin mo ang lahat para matuloy lamang. Now add the trunk of the tree. Consider the texture of the trunk and the lighting. Add some shadings to add some effects. Now add some highlights, let your imagination flow this time. Add some branches, then add again some highlights. Don't forget to smile while you are doing some stuff, but be sure that there's a reason why you are smiling. The first tree that Sir Jusel tried to climb was a duhat tree. Masarap kalugan ang duhat sa asan. Now add some dark areas of the tree. Shading is always an important thing in digital painting. Now add some highlights, let your imagination flow this time. For the last part of our digital painting, go back to add some details. Make sure that your eyes are satisfied. Don't worry, we have our own style, so we need to develop our own style. That's it, we have a digital painting of a tree. Salamat sa inyong pananood, art is always in our heart. Be always imaginative and creative power. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.